This is how to solve a quadratic equation in intercept form. Our original equation will be y equals 1.5x plus 3 in parentheses 2x minus 4 in parentheses. Our first step is to set our factors equal to 0. 0 equals 2x minus 4. You want to add 4 on both sides so it cancels out negative 4. You're ended up with 4 equals 2x. Then you want to divide by 2 on both sides so that you could get x by itself. Once you divide, you get x equals 2. The next step is you have to set your other equation and the original equation equal to 0. 0 equals 1.5x plus 3. You subtract 3 on both sides to get rid of the positive 3 and you end up with negative 3 equals 1.5x. Next you have to divide by positive 1.5 and in the end you get negative 2 equals x. Next you will need to find your line of symmetry. Your line of symmetry equation will be x equals a number. In this case, it will be x equals negative 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Once you add negative 2 and 2, you get 0. You then divide by 2. Once you divide 0 by 2, you get x equals 0. The next step is to draw a dotted line where you think the line of symmetry should be, and also place the first two original x points, 2, 0, negative 2, 0. You need to fill in your x values on the input-output table. Your line of symmetry of x values should be in the center table, and you need at least 5 points. Next, you need to plug in your x values into the original problem to find your y values. In this case, y equals 1.5 times 0 plus 3, 2 times 0 minus 4. Once you multiply 1.5 times 0 and 2 times 0, you get 0 plus 3 and 0 minus 4. You can simplify that by saying y equals 3 times negative 4. After multiplying 3 times negative 4, you get y equals negative 12. Our next part will be y equals 1.5 times 1 plus 3, 2 times 1 minus 4. After you multiply 1.5 by 1 and 2 by 1, you get y equals 1.5 plus 3 and 2 minus 4. After simplifying that down, you get y equals 4.5 times negative 2. After multiplying that, you get y equals negative 9. Next, you need to fill in your input-output table for the y values. After filling it in, you get 2, 0, 1, negative 9, 0, 12, negative 1, negative 9, negative 2, 0. These red lines are supposed to represent how the y values are equal because of the line of symmetry. Now, after you're done filling in your table, you can now graph. If you are following along, this should be your final result. The U-shaped line is called a parabola and is never pointed at its vertex. Its vertex can be its highest or its lowest point. Thank you for watching, and now I hope you have a better understanding of how to graph an intercept quadratic equation.